In this video, I'll show you how to use the Crypto.com app in Australia as a complete beginner. If you don't have an account yet, make sure you sign up using the link in the description for a free account and potentially get a valuable prize as well. Crypto.com is one of the most popular cryptocurrency apps worldwide, with over 10 million downloads, and it's packed with features. Let's go step by step so you can get comfortable with it. When you open the app, the first thing you'll see is the account section, where you'll manage all your wallets. The first wallet is your crypto wallet, which is where you store cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Cronos. From here, you can deposit or withdraw crypto at any time. Next is the exchange wallet, which is linked to the Crypto.com exchange platform. So, you can access that through a browser or the dedicated exchange app if you want a more advanced trading experience. Below that, you'll see the Crypto Earn wallet. This is where you can put your crypto to work and earn interest on your holdings, with flexible terms or fixed terms depending on your preference. Then there's the Fiat wallet, which is where you manage your regular currencies like Australian dollars or US dollars. This is also where you can deposit or withdraw money directly to and from your bank account. The app also includes an NFT wallet if you're interested in digital collectibles. And lastly, there's the Crypto.com Visa Card wallet. This card is a standout feature because it lets you spend your crypto in real life and earn cash back while shopping. For example, you can top up your card and then use it for everyday purchases like groceries, transportation, or even online shopping while earning rewards in Cronos tokens. Depositing and withdrawing money is straightforward. To withdraw crypto, go to your crypto wallet. Select the coin you want, like Bitcoin. Choose Transfer, then Withdraw. Paste in the recipient's wallet address, confirm the details, and your funds will be sent. If you want to withdraw to your bank, you'll first need to verify your account by making a small deposit. After that, you can head to the Fiat wallet, select your currency, and enter your withdrawal details. Depositing works in the same way, but in reverse. Buying cryptocurrency is just as easy. From the home screen, choose the coin you want to buy. Like Bitcoin, you can purchase using your Fiat wallet balance, a debit or credit card, Google Pay, or even another cryptocurrency. If you want to save on fees, it's usually better to move money into your Fiat wallet first and then buy from there. The app also gives you the option to set up recurring buys, like scheduling a $100 Bitcoin purchase every week, which is a strategy known as dollar cost averaging. You can also set target prices for buying so the app will automatically buy for you if the market hits your chosen price. Selling works the same way. You can sell your crypto and convert it back to fiat or swap it for another cryptocurrency. You can also use your crypto to top up your Visa card instantly, so you can spend it like regular cash and keep earning rewards. On top of that, Crypto.com includes a mission section where you can complete small tasks to earn diamonds, which you can redeem for mystery boxes containing free rewards. It's a fun extra feature that lets you earn while you use the app. And don't forget about Crypto Earn. That's where you can stake your assets and receive interest payments directly into your wallet. So, that's a complete beginner walkthrough of how to use the Crypto.com app in Australia. If you haven't signed up yet, remember to use the link in the description to create your free account and potentially get a valuable prize as well.